Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify banner animation frames for Mailchimp step by step clearly. Open your Mailchimp dashboard. Navigate to the campaigns section on the left sidebar. Select the campaign you want to work on. Click on Edit to access the campaign editor. Locate the banner animation you wish to verify. Click on the banner to open the editing options. Ensure that the animation is set correctly in the design panel. Look for the animation tab within the formatting options. Review the specified frames for the animation. Check the duration set for each frame to ensure it meets your requirements. Preview the animation by clicking on the Preview button. Watch the animation closely to ensure all frames display correctly. Take note of any frames that may need adjustments or corrections. Return to the editing options if changes are necessary. Make adjustments to the frame duration or content as needed. Save your changes once you have completed the edits. Recheck the animation by previewing it again. Finalize the campaign settings once you are satisfied with the animation. Now you're ready to continue with the rest of your campaign setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.